Hello friends, today in this video we will see 5-line speech on Independence Day. First line, good morning everyone. Second line, my name is Neha. Third line, today is 15th August. Fourth line, we are celebrating Independence Day. Fifth line, India became independent on this day. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you. Dear friends, please like, share, subscribe. Asia Pen 1 for more educational channel.